boys, we almost here. For a subscriber, gonna get us a ATC70 with the 110. It's a whole situation. I can't explain it all to you guys right now while I'm driving. Also, Ford Zinger. Not for nothing. I mean, I guess I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but another Ford Zinger. We'll put them in the hanger.
Oh yeah.
There you go. That'll handle it. Perfect. Problem solved. All right, let's get them. All right, it's go time. I know all you guys like your Honda line accessories, but look at that Yamaha line, or Yamaha line. Look at that Yamaha line hitch right there, boys.
Just towing bitches for when you were a kid.
Yeah, dude. Man, I see now.
Yeah.
I see. Man, Blake's excited. He keeps on telling me about his new daily. I don't even know what that'll be here in a minute. Oh shit, ATC?
What?
This is it?
This is my daily, dog.
What?
Yeah.
Full auto?
Been picking up hella bitches in this. Look.
Stunting.
See that?
Oops, pulled the throttle cable and murdered myself.
Yeah. No, not today.
So it's got a headlight?
Yeah.
Put her in the middle. Let me see.
Yeah, look. Check this out.
What? High stall clutch or what?
Yeah.
Freaking tail light? Smoking him, dude. Oh, she almost got away from me.
No, dude. You don't have damage torque.
Oh, you got to pull in the clutch. I see.
Yeah.
But it's broke.
It's a 4-speed.
It's not broke. It just don't work.
It's a 4-speed.
Oh, I see. Now, is that the bottom end? I noticed once she warms up a little bit, she get that. Blake's been excited, guys. He said he's gonna come over and show me his new daily.
Yeah.
He said I'm gonna want to buy it.
It's one of the bigger ones I've had.
Like that head gasket, that popped head gasket sound?
That's
Yeah,
that
that hurts your
my
soul.
turbo.
Oh. You get the brake on? It'll quit doing it. Just flipped her to run, that's all.
It's like a P-dub.
Damn, so that's the Banshee 60, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's a little bro. Little broder.
Yeah, this one.
It's a race bike.
Yeah.
It's getting nasty with it, brother. Yeah, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Should he be dailying this just because it has a headlight?
What?
All right. You guys tell us in the comments, which one would you daily? This one's got a hitch for pick 'em ups. Same thing, burnout.
It gets them every time.
Oh yeah.
It gets them every time.
Oh yeah, boys. Barbecuing.
I have every cougar, lynx, bobcat in the bar chasing me.
Yep. Right outside the bar, they see the Zinger and they're like, never mind.
Yeah.
I thought it was a tri-Zinger.
They thought.
Now, the 70 has a queefy head gasket, and this one has a queefy oil bottle, but I guess that's nothing. I mean, I think it just needs a rag gasket. Get a rag for a gasket. A rag skit. There you go. That's better. Same color, too. Color match that good.
Get some tape.
Some tape, hella tape.
Do good stuff too.
I guess we might as well pit them against each other. All right. All kind of power on it. He thinks he can ride a wheelie on her, boys. We'll see.
She's still pulling a little bit.
Yeah. Gotta get that clutch to quit slipping, then she's on. Then it's on. We got backup just in case something happens to him. If he goes down, we got the medi flight. Let me try.
I was trying to do a mullet flip.
Trying to do a mullet flip. Whoa.
More like that. A little more like that.
Damn.
Like you were doing good. A
Oh.
little more like that.
All right, let me see. I just didn't want to loop it right away, but I will. Aw, dude. You almost rode it right into the shop. That was almost your leg, dog. You almost broke that shit. He almost lost his leg, boys.
That was controlled.
That was controlled.
What do you mean?
That was a controlled burn.
Why is that over there?
Dude, you know you got them gapped wrong, right? Like, if they were gapped a little wider, I wouldn't have hit them.
I was trying to do it like...
Oh, right over it?
Well, no, I was going to like lift up, go in, and then out.
Bob and weave on it.
Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Adventure course.
Right. You got most of it. You definitely went up and down.
Yeah.
Dude, it's got the Honda light. Check it. It works. Got the tail light. Dual diggers, rototillers.
It's even got a little bit of a cruise.
Yeah, it's got the high stall and then the high idle as well. Ghost riding it. Oh, shit. Hey, it's full speed. Like, we got a little footage coming for y'all this 110, but be sure and let us know in the comments below if we should be doing a real in-depth ride video. We're going to ride this weekend.
I found it. We did 30.
Hit 30? Damn! 30?
Average is 12 mile an hour wheelies.
Hell yeah. That's a starting off point.
Damn it, I missed it.
No.
Oh shit, I missed it.
Your face went straight into that dirt.
You'll never catch me in a million years, guys. That's like... Test it first. Try this one?
I'm alright.
That's all right.
I like this one. Let's go up this one over here.
I just did, bro. You missed it. Look out! I went further.
No.
No. I went further. No.
Hey, Jared. Bye. Oh, watch out.
What, do you find a good one? Is that one steep? Oh, it's a race, and I just took it on the outside. It almost threw me off, dude. Oh, shit. Try, babe?
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
I pulled up to the steepest one over there with the hammering. Oh boy, that little girl was trying harder than that, boy. What's the matter? Went right up it or something? The left arm?
What?
fucking end it. Here's the easiest way out, bro. Mine ain't got the clutch for it, boys. No way. Fucking got her, dude. Big red time.
Fuck yeah.
Oh shit, boys! Fuck.
I heard it.
You want to try this one?
I'm alright.
What?